Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Ken Stone. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make this simple slide with pan effect.
Y'all ain't get enough.
Next thing we're going to do is we're going to double click on our layer to open the layer panel, and we are going to rotoscope our subject with the roto brush. After we are done rotoscoping our subject, we are going to go to the freeze option here and we're going to freeze it. So this will take some time for After Effects to freeze our subject and separate it from the background. So we are going to unfreeze this to make some refinement to make the edges smooth. I'm going to increase the feather to about 10, increase the shift edge. I like it to be 100%. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to Control D to duplicate the layer, go back to the layer beneath, and we are going to turn off our roto brush effect, like so. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to go to the effect panel. We are going to look for offset. So we are going to type offset. We are going to drag and drop that on the layer beneath, like so. So we are going to expand this, go to the effect tab. You see the offset over here. So what we are going to do is we are going to set keyframes. We are going to set the first one here, go to the end of the clip somewhere here. We're going to set another keyframe, and now you can play with this, send it to the direction you want. Obviously, the more you go to the left or right, the more the effect comes stronger. So we're going to push this. So we want this to be faster. Let's increase the amount a bit and let's see. Yeah, so that's what you want to do. We are going to highlight the keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add directional blur, like so, to the clip beneath. I'm also going to keyframe values of the directional blur. So what I'm going to do is at the start, I'm going to leave it like so, move a few frames, so, and increase it. Let's say we increase it to about 70, like so. We are going to go to the end and bring it back to 0. We are going to turn on our keyframe, bring it back to 0, like so. Then you can see what you are already doing now. Yeah, so I want it to be horizontal, the directional blur. So we are going to turn this to about 90 degrees. So to make this smoother, we are going to easy ease these keyframes to F9 as usual. Basically, that's how to go about this slide pan effect. Yeah, very simple in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe and like.